من أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. النفس ملك لله، هو اللي خلقها وهو اللي يقول لي امتى ياخدها، مش ملك لاي حد. نفس ملك لله، هو الوحيد اللي يحكم. احنا رحنا وضعنا يوم ما كل واحد فينا نصب نفسه حاكم بامر الله، يوم ما كل واحد فكر نفسه ممكن يحكم عن جنبه وهو يقول مين صح ومين غلط ومين يعيش ومين يموت، ونسينا نبتدي بنفسنا. So this is our opportunity ان احنا كعرب ومسلمين we're gonna walk the talk. كفاية statements condemns. We need to do stuff on the ground. We need to be involved in the local community. We need to show the true Islam in every one of you in his act, in his behavior, with his neighbor, with his colleague at work, with everyone you meet. Enough for talking. We are not going to apologize for something we did not do. We're not going to be apologetic. But we're going to stand against hate. We're going to stand against terrorism. We're going to stand against extremists. We're going to stand against those who try to divide us, who try to hurt us. We're going to stand against all of this because we are proud Muslim Americans, citizens of the United States of America. Our country, our city, undivided, one nation under God.